Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be telling you how to DIY your own pomegranate toner. So guys, pomegranate has tons of benefits when taken orally, but it has so many benefits for our skin as well when applied topically. So guys, pomegranates has lots and lots of nutrients with essential vitamins and all those metals which are really great for our skin. So guys, it has vitamin K, it has vitamin C, it has copper, it has magnesium, it has zinc, and that's quite a lot of them. So guys, it also helps in brightening our complexion and helps in smoothing our skin. So guys, why am I making a toner out of pomegranate? That's a great question. It is because it helps in hydration of our skin and also helps in combating the other problem with like whiteheads, blackheads and acne breakouts, which is really gross guys. And guys, when applied tropically, it also helps in regeneration of epidermis, which is the external layer of our skin. So guys, that is a ton of benefits. So let's get into the video guys, shall we? Guys, you need pomegranate seeds for this. Here I have taken almost a bowl of pomegranate seeds. And after that you'll be requiring a glycerin which is easily available in any pharmacy, and after that I have grinded the pomegranate seeds and then I am going to separate only the juice out of the mixture. And guys, here I am going to take enough which can be used up till 7 days, because beyond that it's not advisable to store. And once I do it guys, I am going to add drops of glycerin to it which provide moisturization for skin. And here I am giving it a nice stir, and our DIY pomegranate skin toner is ready to use guys. So guys, this is it for this video, and if you have any type of queries related to this, let me know in the comment down below. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of family. And also guys, make sure to follow me on my social media where I'm going to provide you skincare solution, hair care solution, body related solution and all those beautiful tips which are going to help you guys greatly. So guys, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. And guys, so guys, this is it for this video, and so guys, that's a ton of